Hey guys, I wanted to pop on here and do a makeup tutorial today. It's been a hot minute. I've been extremely busy with work, haven't really felt that inspired, haven't bought any new makeup recently, but with the warmer weather coming up, I just wanted to pop on here and do like a golden shimmery summery look. I was also really inspired by this picture of Gigi Hadid. I believe Patrick Todd did her makeup. And yeah, I'm going to be using this palette. Kind of bought it and forgot about it. It's the Colourpop You're Golden Palette. So yeah, let's just dive right in. Okay, starting off by prepping and priming my face with the Clinique concealer and Lancome foundation. Then applying some eyeshadow primer using the brand About Face. Okay, now going in with the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off by going in with the shade PCH. I think it stands for peach, not sure, but using that as a foundational base shade. Then I'm going to go in with this chocolatey shade called Flame. It has sparkles in it as well, and just using it to smoke out the outer edges. Okay, so one thing I like to do is take an angled brush and just draw an extended wing. It just makes the liquid liner process a lot easier. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold shade called Bayshore, applying it with my finger, and oh my goodness, Colourpop palettes are so pigmented. So if you've seen my other videos, you know I like to combine shimmer shades. So I'm going to go with my finger and go in with the color One Way and just layer that on top of the gold. So now I'm going to go back in with the color Fling and apply that to the lower lash line to create some congruency in this look. Okay, now I'm going in with the shimmery shade of Jet Set and just using it to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone. Okay, now I'm going in with my liquid liner. So I'm using the Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and just drawing an extended wing. Okay, totally optional, but I'm going in with my Lancome colored eye pencil in this mossy green shade, tracing over the liquid liner to soften up the look. Okay, so now it's time to curl those lashes. I'm using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Then I'm going in with my Lancome Hypnose Drama and Waterproof, and I've seen the most visible results with this mascara. Okay, now I'm using my Too Faced Cloud Crush blush and applying that to my cheeks for a rosy hue. Oh, and recently I've been really into my iridescent lavender highlighter from Ren Beauty. It just has a subtle lavender sheen to it, and it gives this like interesting glow. Also recently I've been using my Estee Lauder Pure Color Illuminating Shine Lipstick. I think it's just a little bit more moisturizing than the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick, which I was religiously using. And then here I am layering on top of it my Lancome Lait Absolute Rouge Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is the finished look, and yes, I changed into an outfit. And accessories I feel like go with this whole like golden summery eye look. And all in all, I think this is an awesome palette. I think there's another one called like the Golden Hour, so I'm curious to know how it's different and the color themes. But I think as with all like Colourpop palettes, all the shades are super pigmented. I've tried other shades before, like this one's really pretty for like an everyday eye look for work. And I was also thinking that some of the color schemes might even be great for like a Halloween Cleopatra look, like this blue and this gold. I don't know, just things I randomly thought about. But anyways, yeah, I'm interested to experiment more with this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.